Hi there. In this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how to use the polygon drawing or the shape tool on the TIDES ocean trash database. You'll want to be logged into TIDES and then click on View Reports. The map will reload, and across the top here, you will see there's some filter options here that you can immediately start applying to your search. I'm going to leave mine as is. It defaults to showing data from the last 6 months. So just be sure that if you're looking for data outside of that time frame, that you adjust the cleanup date filter as well. And I'm just going to go to the search bar up here and have it hop to the location of interest. So I'm going to use Tokyo as an example. Again, I'm just zooming in further using either the zoom feature on the map, or I'm scrolling with my computer mouse. And I'm going to pretend so this was my cleanup location, but maybe I'm only wanting the entries that were within this bay, like on this side of the river, and not these entries over here. Well, the options on the right-hand side, they don't give me that specificity that I need, or they might, but it might take a couple different reports to get me there. So what you can do instead is define your own location using the polygon drawing tool or the shape tool. So when you're in the area of interest, you'll want to click on this little gray shape in the top right corner of the map. Once I've clicked on that, my cursor changes, and then it's prompting me to select or draw my area. So I can just start clicking. I'm just clicking on the map, and I'm making a big boundary around those entries. And you can make whatever shape you want. It just needs to be closed off. And once I've done that, it's now lassoed all of those pins, all of those cleanup entries within that defined area. And it provides me with the report options on the side. So I can see the total, the people, the weight, the distance. I can view any of these reports with that filter in mind. So it's only showing me the entries that I have lassoed through that polygon tool. You can clear or reset by hitting clear polygon in the top right corner. I will show one more example of how the polygon tool can be used. I'm just going to zoom into the area where Ocean Conservancy is headquartered, or near our headquarters in Washington, D.C. Again, I have it defaulting to just showing entries from the last 6 months, which are fine by me. And perhaps I'm interested in a full watershed, or an area that's just, again, not defined easily by what appears in the right side panel of the report options. So we'll kind of zoom out to my area of interest. Click on the gray shape in the top right corner and start clicking to make my shape. And again, it can be whatever type of shape you want, as long as it just reattaches or closes off, and makes a full shape enclosed. And then you'll see all the entries that I wanted from this, sample of the Chesapeake Bay in this example. And then I can see any of the reports for, maybe I want to know what are the items, most common items just from those entries that I've collected. That's what the top 10 item list is for. Ranks all the items for you, or the summary. And it's also showing me too that that date filter is applied on top of the polygon filter. And to clear this or reset it, I'd hit clear polygon in the top right corner.